Good morning. We're walking, going to church. Good morning, everyone. Ganang day. It's good morning. Today is Sunday. It's the birthday of Mama Mary. We're walking now. Oh, diba? Wala pang katao-tao sa paligid. Hala, pot! Ay, salamat. Hi guys, makalasakay na mi guys. Bye!